Hey babes, what's up? It's Haley and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm getting an entire hair makeover and I'm pumped and I'm excited and a little bit scared. Basically, here's the situation of my hair right now. I showered yesterday and I just slept on it, so if you want to see my natural hair state, here it is. Curly on the inside, straight on the outside. What's going on? Ask my parents' genetics. I actually got it dyed a little bit over a year ago. It was like super light and blonde. I don't really know what I was thinking. I don't think it suited me so much, but since then I went back about 8 months ago and I got my girl Val to actually go ahead and tone it down into like a brown to still have some light pieces but still be more like of a brunette over a blonde. So the thing with my hair right now is, as you can see, it's grown out quite a bit. I told myself not to touch it for a little while and I'm glad that I didn't, and I went ahead and actually saved so many different photos of what I've been into, and I noticed that like 90s inspired hair has been my thing lately, and that's actually what we're going for today. Yeah, we keep moving just because hubby's driving me to my appointment right now. Are you excited to see what my hair is gonna look like?
So excited. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so lovely. I mean, either way, whatever you do, it's gonna look great. So.
Oh, sweet. So on our way to Screwball Salon right now, and I will see you guys there. We're here with Jenna. She's gonna be cutting my hair and then we're gonna go to Val for color, so she knows what she's doing. So she's just gonna tell me what the whole situation is. Here's some inspo pictures. And I think the whole curtain fringe is super popular now.
Yeah,
so
very popular, very stylish, right? And it's not as high maintenance as, let's say, the straight across things, right?
I do have a very small forehead, so we don't want to go ahead and do something that's too short. Otherwise, with my eyebrows, it won't complement at all.
So, do you always part your hair in the middle?
So lately, because of like this, sometimes I do it like this.
A little off center,
but then usually, yeah, it's more like
more or less
middle.
around there.
We actually just went ahead and straightened it. She's gonna be doing a dry cut, which is literally just a dry cut. I don't know how else to explain that. I want to keep the length definitely, just kind of like trim a little bit more layers, and then obviously the bangs.
Okay, and one thing you gotta remember too is when we're cutting dry and straight, everything jumps up a little bit.
Right.
So I'm always gonna do everything an inch longer, and then when we blow dry and style it, it'll be the exact length you want.
I'm here with my fave. Val is actually gonna go ahead and color me up. I actually got a little bit of fringe already, but my hair is straight right now, so we have to see how it looks when the final product is all styled.
I like you in the brown tones.
I like it in the brown tones, but I do want to like bring up the color a bit.
Yeah.
And obviously, like, I like it when the blonde's a little bit like cooler.
Yeah.
So
Balayage.
Balayage? Yeah.
Don't go high. No. Keep it rooty. And I'm gonna bring it up to like here.
Yeah, that's good.
Right? And then these need to be higher up. Right. Very thin. Very thin. Very natural. Very like subtle. Perfect. Okay, and as for your color, like your tone, give me pictures like that. I love that. I feel like this style. I love everything. You see how she's higher and lighter at the front? Done.
How long am I sitting for? A little while, probably.
You're gonna sit under the heater, actually.
Oh yeah? Space Cadet.
All I do is adore you all of the time. I'd like to. I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day.
So this is a shadow root, right?
Exactly.
And what's the point of a shadow root?
Shadow root is to camouflage lines, blend out with your natural, and so when it grows out, you don't, like, it just grows with your natural color.
So I'm just sitting now with the root shadow, just gonna let that develop for a bit. Okay, mixing the toner. Wow, it literally looks like liquid gold.
It's a mixture of gold and ash.
That's awesome. All washed up. Ready to go. I'm so obsessed. Oh my god, it looks so good. Oh my god.
It looks
actually, you guys,
So
insane. The color is exactly what I wanted, and like the bangs are exactly what I wanted. And like
that is the best. You feel good. You feel fresh. Fresh new style.
Hi, Bob.
You look so good.
Really?
I like it.
You like it?
Slider, yeah, I like that you left it at least like long and everything.
I left it long.
Long, curly.
And I got bangs.
You look so good. I love it. You look very beautiful.
Thank you.